Do you know what rotten bananas treat? They can even destroy cancer cells. Recent research in Japan has shown that bananas with black dots are excellent for improving your health. The best time to consume these bananas is just when the dots start to appear, because then the bananas are very rich in antioxidants and minerals. When in this state, bananas are easier to digest and carry the most health benefits. And these are the reasons why you should start eating rotten bananas. They provide additional protection against cancer. They also contain a substance called TNF, tumor necrosis factor, which destroys cancer cells. So if you eat these bananas, you will contribute to the prevention of cancer. Bananas can treat heartburn, and they are an excellent source of natural antacid, a substance that neutralizes stomach acid and reduces the acidity of the stomach environment. If you have trouble digesting food or you have a heartburn, try eating a banana and you will feel an instant relief. Bananas can also help you regulate your blood pressure and help you maintain optimal blood pressure. You should know that it is necessary that the level of potassium in the blood is sufficient, and bananas are rich precisely with this mineral. Eating bananas, you will feel less depressed, because they contain tryptophan, an amino acid essential for the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that promotes calmness, good mood and a good sleep. If you have problems with constipation, you need to eat bananas, which are rich in fiber, and thereby they are excellent for stimulating your digestion. At this point, you need to know that bananas can give you energy, and if you feel tired. Therefore, if you ever feel tired, all you have to do is eat a banana. Due to its composition, bananas will give you a lot of energy, and the potassium from the bananas will prevent muscle spasms, and other minerals and nutrients from the bananas will prolong your physical endurance. If you have a stomach ulcer, all you have to do is eat bananas that have black spots on them, namely due to their soft structure and easy digestibility. Bananas with black spots are ideal for those who have stomach problems, due to their richness in iron. Bananas are an excellent food when it comes to fighting and treating anemia. Therefore, if you are struggling with anemia or a current lack of iron in the blood, all you have to do is eat bananas with black spots.